Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, old friends, sisters and brothers. Hope you are all okay. Today I'm going to make it spinach, which is very easy to make it. And I took here are some potatoes, so I already peel it. I'm going to use this 5 cloves inside, and a little bit this ginger, and I'll be using can of tomato as well. I didn't take out, but I will show you guys. And I already chopped these 2 medium onions. First I will be take olive oil, around 2 tablespoons roughly. Our oil is hot and I'm going to add all onions. I will let it cook our onion until the color change and they will be very soft. My onion is almost ready. I cook nearly 5 minutes in the high flame. I'm going to add tomato inside, tomato which is canned one. I put it more than half can. If you have a fresh tomato, you can use 2 fresh tomatoes. I'll be used chopped garlic, chopped ginger. I will add little bit of water inside. I'll be cover it for 2-3 minutes in the high flame. Let's check after 2 minutes. Now I will be not put the lid on it, and I will be cook it until the all water is dried. So you can see the water is dried, and I will be take out all this and I will be grind it. In the same pan I take 2 tablespoon oil and I added 1 teaspoon cumin. I take it 3 or 4 chili, as much as you like. I'll be fry for a few seconds. This paste, I made it and I grind it after that. And now I will be cook it until the water dry and oil separate in the high flame. After nearly 5 to 7 minutes, as you can see, our water is dried and it's become a very nice paste. Now we'll be add some chili powders, 1 teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon coriander powder, 1 teaspoon red chili powder, and 1 teaspoon cumin powder. I will cook it for 2 minutes. I'm going to add my old potatoes first. I'll be add tiny bit water inside. I'll be cook 2 to 3 minutes in the high flame. I cook it nearly 3 minutes. I'm going to add my spinach inside. Spinach I grind as well. It's up to you. If you like to grind, do it. If you don't like, don't do it. I like to be grind, mix very well. I'll cook it in high flame 2 to 3 minutes, and then I'll be add little bit water inside. Add 1 cup of water. I'll be put the medium flame and I'll be cover it until my potatoes will be tender. But every 2 to 3 minutes I'll be check it and mix well as well, so make sure there's no stick in the bottom. It's almost 10 minutes around. Let's check. All together is a 15 minute, and let's check. Yeah, it's almost ready now. Half tablespoon I'll be added garam masala. Salt is to taste. Coriander is optional if you want to. I'm putting the whole chili. Try this recipe and let me know how did you like it, and any suggestion, any comments will be most welcome. I add a little bit butter inside before I eat. It's up to you guys. If you like the butter, you can put it. If you don't like, it's optional. And smell is very good, and I can't wait to eat now. Okay guys, take care of yourself and keep me remember in your duas. Inshallah I will be come back again with my new recipe. Take care and Allah Hafiz.